next game masih na kita ulit.
Okay.
Si Leo, dapat si Leo, tira le perimeter, masih centro dito, receive le bola na may dito diretso.
Nice coach.
Next game, kita ulit, kita jatun first game jatun nara, second game, kamu siyempre bonito lang lansa.
Okay.
PYP, forever.
Forever, the winning coach of Green Team, winning its very first game over the White Team. Thank you, coach. Del, kosa color team?
Yellow.
Yellow ni Mantuga.
Fury.
Fast and Furious. No. Oo. Fast and Fury, no kere le jugara na slow motion. Fast and Furious daw, no kere le sige na mga viejo. Okay, this is the second game of the opening night of PYP Ballers second season. Yellow team is leading by 17 points, padded by Makapili. Score is 40-57. Sampang bringing the ball. Nice pass! Nice entry pass. Sampang again. Nuay. Oh, takya. Kore. Oh, Nuay. Sampang ulit. Trying to cut down the lead of the yellow team. Wow. Nice stop and pop. 15-point lead by yellow team. Sure bullet na pass break. Oh, Alain, grabe. Sayang. Rebound again by Jung. Foul by Nasser Hassan. 59-42. Yellow team is leading by 17 big points. Takidiaton Baby Shark. Saldi Francisco, the main man of the yellow team. Talya, nice pass break. Nanima ya. 42-61. Leo siya. Okay, Leo siya score. 17 ya mga PYP Ballers. 17 ya. Nukom is still fighting. Finish. Yellow is now leading only by 8 points after leading by 19 points 5 minutes earlier. So let's see with 27.2 seconds. Error. Last chance, Jun. Last chance. 3 points. Okay, last one. Mira kita 3 points. Naitira 3 points. Naitira. Naimaya. End of the game. Crucial steal by La. Duty foul by June. Sayang.